Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have the right hardware and permissions. Plug in the AirPods, pair them to your iPhone, and go to Settings Translate to enable Live Translate. Grant microphone access when prompted. Once done, pick your spoken language and the target language in the Translate app and make sure your AirPods show as the audio output. This step gets you into an active translation session fast, so you can move on to using live translation in real conversations. Now you initiate translation. Open Translate or use the Control Center tile and choose Conversation Mode for back and forth speech. You speak into the iPhone mic, or if you prefer privacy, position the mic near the speaker. The app sends audio to your AirPods as translated speech. Make sure to speak in short phrases so the system segments sentences accurately, and if you need to switch languages, change the pair on screen. This ensures continuous, coherent translations without losing context. To finish, tap Done and optionally save the transcript for review. If you encounter delays or dropouts, first make sure Bluetooth is stable. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, reconnect the AirPods, and relaunch the Translate app. If audio quality or pairing still fails, check for firmware updates and restart your iPhone. A reset of the AirPods can clear stubborn issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: move closer to the iPhone to reduce latency. Distance often causes the majority of
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.